Hey friends, if Windows Update is stuck on checking for updates, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to restart the Windows Update service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Update service. Okay, right click on it and then select start or select restart if it's already started. And as for clearing the software distribution cat22 folders, let me explain. If your Windows update is stuck on checking for updates without any specific error message, then most probably the issue is that the cat22 folder is corrupt. Okay, and it happens often. It is not a rare situation, it happens often. So we have a script for you. This script will stop the Windows Update and Background Intelligence Transfer service, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat22 folders, and then restart the services. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. Okay. And once these commands are exhausted, your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.